Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dwani Patel, and here I would like to present you the insights about the online retail store, which is which I am the online platform, and I generated the insights about the questions which are asked by the CEO and the CMO of the online retail store company. So here is the raw data which I got from the Forager, and I import this data into the Power BI using the get data and import the Excel workbook. Then I clean this data according to my preference. First of all, I want the data which is pure and nothing blank cells in it or any wrong data or any misplaced data. So I first of all claim that data. Moreover, I claim the negative values from the quantity as well as the unit price. So I go to the transform data and I claim this data like select number filter. I apply the filter. In this, I apply the greater than filter like quantity must be greater than 1 and for the unit price I apply the filter like quantity must be greater than or equal to 0. Then I reload this data into the Power BI desktop and I apply the visualization for the question asked by the CEO that they want the data of 2011 for each month or revenue generated by that. So, first of all, I created a column named revenue. In this column, I do this formula like quantity into unit price to generate the revenue column, and I inserted that revenue column into the line graph. Okay, then, but for this graph, uh, it is shown me the both year 2010 and 2011. So I applied the filter in the year and that is 2011. So I noticed that in September, October and November, it is the highest revenue month for the company because sales are higher as compared to the other months. According to me, it is because the September, October and November are the months of the festival. So it is quite possible that the people are getting the bonus and that they prefer to buy online. So it is more beneficial for company to launch any mm, uh, product or any uh, offers on the product so that they can earn the highest revenue. The second question, which is top quantity revenue and quantity of the top 10 countries without United Kingdom. So in this, I, I filtered from this data that all countries not United Kingdom, I inserted top 10 countries and it is noticed that Netherlands, Italy and Germany has the highest revenue countries and the quantity according to it are shown as well in the side-by-side bar graph. In the third question, the top 10 customers which are from which the company can generate the highest revenue. The first customer ID is 14646, who buys the product at the most. So, company can provide the offers related to the product which customer buys frequently. The fourth question asked by the CMO is that the quantity sold by the country. Which country sold the maximum quantity of the product? So, from this, we can predict that the Netherlands, Germany, and EIRE are the highest revenue companies in which the quantities are sold at the most amount without United Kingdom. So, it is easy to expansion strategy to apply in these fields so that they can generate their highest revenues. So this is all about the analysis and insights that are generated by me. So thank you so much for listening to me.